Hello there, good evening. It's hard to believe that through the rest of this week it's actually going to get milder across the UK when the first thing I have to show you this evening is a Met Office early weather warning for the potential for some disruption due to snow and ice. But that's the way our land lies at the moment. We have a weather front coming into the west of the UK at the moment, some milder air behind it, some heavy rain this evening for Wales, the southwest of England and Northern Ireland. But it's as that rain makes its way across our frozen ground that it will turn increasingly to snow with some significant accumulations, particularly for the northeast of England, 2 to 5 centimetres quite widely, up to 10 centimetres, 4 inches on high ground. We could see a couple of centimetres across the Midlands and East Anglia before the front pulls away eastwards as well. To the rear of the weather front, a lot of cloud around, very misty and murky as well, partly due to that slightly milder air moving across the cold ground. We could see a few spits and spots of rain out of that cloud just about anywhere on Tuesday as well. A pretty gloomy start to the day, but even behind the weather front, so once we've lost the rain, you don't lose the cloud. For Northern Ireland, it's a grey but relatively milder start as well. Meanwhile, for Scotland, we've got a weather front here, the weather front pushing its way in will bring some snow across the central lowlands for a time. Again, a couple of centimetres are possible. Now, the weather front pulls away eastwards as we go through Tuesday afternoon, but bear in mind the ground is cold, so some of the snow will lie around and the problems with ice may persist. But generally, we should see temperatures on the way up across the UK, and that's what we see, especially to the west. A little slower for that milder air to take effect, though, where we have the cold ground and the lying snow. But for the rest of the week, it is going to continue to get milder. Unfortunately, though, the gloomy, grotty conditions will linger on. Always a lot of cloud around, some stubborn patches of mist and fog. But by day, our temperatures will battle up above freezing, so we should continue to slowly thaw. Towards the end of the week, though, despite our daytime highs appearing above freezing, what we will tend to pick up to the south especially is an easterly wind. So it looks a little bit more positive, but it's still going to feel quite